You know, there's a kind of silence that only comes when your nanay is no longer there. Not just the silence of the house, but the silence of someone who used to understand you without you explaining anything. And one day, you realize that voice you took for granted is now just a memory. The truth is, a mother never really lives. She just changes how she shows up in your life. Before you could hear her, now you remember her. Before she carried your worries, now you carry everything on your own. And that's when it hits you. How much she was holding that you never even noticed. And here's the painful part. Most of us didn't say enough. We were busy. We were busy building a career, busy fixing our problems, busy becoming successful, while she was quietly waiting, not for money, not for recognition, just for your time. And we thought there would always be tomorrow. Nanay, I miss you. There are days I wish I could go back, not to change everything, but just to sit with you a little longer, to listen more, to understand you better, to say the words I assume you already knew. Thank you for loving me in ways I didn't appreciate before. And I'm sorry for the times I made you feel like you could wait. So let me ask you, if your Nana is still alive, what are you waiting for? A holiday, a special occasion, a perfect moment, or the day you no longer have a choice? Because the older we get, the more we understand this. Mother's love was never loud. It was quiet, consistent, sacrificial, and most of the time invisible until it's gone. And if your nanay is no longer here, listen to me. You didn't lose her. You carry her in your discipline, in your decisions, in the way you keep going even when life is hard. That's strength. That's her. I'm Rod, and this is Real Talk with Rod. Life, money, and everything in between. Nanay, I miss you.